brought to you by Concerned Citizens Alliance, where our motto is local politics makes a difference. The title of this video is Ghana invests in a black bank in Chicago. A Ghanaian firm stepped up, and it was Black-owned bank. And what they did was that they gave the bank, or they invested $9 million in bank. Now this bank, it actually was needed in Chicago. We need more black banks. We just need more black banks because their black banks understand the community that we're in. Now, in this article, I would say between the year 1888 to 1930, there were over 130 black-owned banks in the United States. According to the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, that number plummeted to 48 in 2001, and only in 2016 there's only 22 remaining. That's sad, but that's also indicating, keep this in mind, think about this. Now we know what was going on there. I mean, how actually blacks were doing a much better, or it was much better footing because they depended upon themselves. Now, 1930, there was 130 black-owned banks. Why do we have 22 now? Now, the mission, they wanted a mission, I'm going to read their mission. Our mission, according to this company, the bank, our mission is to be a viable, growing community, develop financial services institution responding to innovatively to the primary underserved and minority constituency with customer service, which ensures each customer feels that they are our only customer. Wow, that's what the bank. That's what the bank's website reads. I may not have read it. Yeah, that's what it reads. There is a need for community banks, and especially in black communities. When we only have, I believe there's the number of blacks in the United States is something like over 40 some odd million people. I think we're 13% of the population, 13, maybe 14% of the population. Now, there's a problem to where you only got 22, I believe it was a number of like $240 million to go through the black churches, roughly around here, maybe more or less. But how much money is going into a black bank? If you had an opportunity of putting your money, your church money, do you have your church to put their money inside a black bank? Do you imagine what kind of message that would send? What it would happen is that bank would have now the resources to lend money at a decent interest rate and make money. I'm not a finance guy, but banks need to have money available, and so that they can make loans. Those loans, be it home loans, car loans, school loans, whatever the loans are, they need those loans so that they can increase their money, increase revenue. But this bank here, and $9 million is really not a lot of money. I mean, it's a lot to me, the grand scheme of things, but it's not really a lot of money. I mean, look, what is Michael Jordan worth? I believe it's $1.1 billion. $9 million is really not a lot of money. Look at P. Diddy. I think it's P. Diddy, or whatever he calls himself now. He's over, I think, well over a few $100,000, $300 million. $9 million. Not $9 billion, $9 million for a bank. They needed it. So what if our high dollar celebrities, millionaires like Michael Jordan decide, hey, I'm going to open up, or I am going to invest in What did I do? That really changes. We no longer would have. We would. That means you giving a borrower an opportunity to go elsewhere outside. Instead of going out of the community, you can go in the community and make his money. Allow the community to make money, and for him to have an opportunity. Because a lot of times, you maybe go to a white-owned bank, and they're just not going to lend you the money. And we know that the predatory lending and also discriminatory practices of banks when it comes down to black people. I think that we should just have our own. That's the bottom line. And so the company out of Ghana, they believe that they want for blacks to be successful in their country. Matter of fact, there was an article I read where the government of Ghana want African Americans to relocate to Africa, to relocate to Ghana. Yeah, this is the best place for you is Ghana. Well, my time is up, and I thank you for yours. Please like, share, subscribe to this video and to this channel. And until the next time.